Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you to this channel today. This is Lasso Johnny B Stock. Alright, in this video I'll be showing you how you can make $100 weekly profit. If you're in Nigeria, $100 is approximately 59,000 naira, 59,000 naira every week. I have the full confidence to tell you that you can make money online. Though you might be haunted by your past experience about online investment, but I want to tell you that you just need to dust up. You need to stand up from the place that you're falling and continue. Okay, so you can make money online irrespective of your past experience. All right, so start making money in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is also known as digital money. So you can make money in cryptocurrency. Over 100% monthly profit. Over 100% monthly profit. COTP platform. So the name of the platform that we'll be reviewing is COTP. All right. So let me show you how you can make 100% monthly. So firstly, let's do some calculation. Let's assume you are having like $300 as your capital. In this platform that I'm about to share with you, you will be earning up to 3.6%, daily profit, up to 3.6% daily profit on your capital. So now let's say 300 times 3.6%. So that is 10.8. So you are making $10.8 every day. And this platform works 247. That is 7 days in a week every time. So now let's do the multiplication. 10.8 times 7 that is 75.6. 75.6 times 30 days. Sorry. That is 75.6. Okay. 75.6, that is for a week. Then multiply by 4. So that means you are earning 302.4 in 28 days. What about the other 2 days that we make it a month? That is 10.8 plus 10.8. That is 21.6 plus 21.6. That is 324. Or let's do it like this. So daily you are earning $10.8. So let's multiply it by 30 times 30. So you are earning $324 extra profit on your capital in a month. So don't forget, I told you that you can make up to 3.6%. So this is where consistency and diligence comes in. So this platform is not the platform whereby you just put your money and you go to bed, you sleep, and you'll be expecting your money at the end of the day or at the end of the week or at the end of the month. You just need to work it out. Though you are not the one trading, but you are the one to initiate the trade. You are the one to start it. All right, so that the system will trade automatically based on the artificial intelligence that has been embedded into it on your behalf. All right, so now this is what you can earn. This is what you can earn on daily basis. On monthly basis, you can earn $3 to $4. And besides, there is also room for compounding. So you can also compound these on daily basis standard. So let's quickly do some compounding interest. So let's go to compound interest calculator. Then you can do. Okay, this is daily compounding interest. So our capital is 300. And interest rate per day is 3.6, and for 30 days in a month. So let's do the final calculation. Calculate. Okay, so that means, sorry, daily investment rate, no, that is 3.6. Okay, yes, daily. I think I need to reload this. Let me reload this. Okay, 300 as a principal capital. Interest rate is 3.6% daily, and the month is, oh, sorry, I made a mistake there the other time. Should be this. This is 30. This is 30. So calculate. So let's check the calculation here. So the first day you'll be earning 10.8. 10.8. So the total amount you'll be earning in a month of 30 days will be up to 566.79, provided you are compounding. So you are even making more than your capital. You are making more than 100% of your capital if you should follow this. If you should follow this compounding method. Now let's assume you are not able to make up to 3.6%. Let's assume you are making just 3% on daily basis. Let's see how much you're gonna get at the end of 30 days. So let's calculate. So at the end of 30 days, you'll be making 428.18 profit, $428. So this is extra money, your profit on your capital with this particular method. Now let me take you to the platform whereby you can get it done. The name of the platform is COTP. So for you to get access to it, I will be dropping the registration link and the activation link in the description box of this video, because there are so many fake website there. There are so many fake app there whereby they claim to be COTP, whereas they just want to steal your registration, your login details, so that they can steal away your money. All right, so just be very, very careful. Just make sure you use the link that I'll be dropping in the description box of this video for your registration and for the activation. All right, so after you have registered successfully, keep your login details, make sure it is secured, and make sure it's something that you can remember easily, and set your transaction password and other things. And you also need to do your verification, your identity authentication. Okay, so it's very, very easy, and it is what you can complete in less than 5 minutes. All right, so after you have done that, the next thing for you is to make withdrawal. Is to recharge your account. When you click on recharge, you are going to see the alphanumeric code for the wallet address. So it is TRC20 based USDT. So you deposit. The minimum deposit is $9, as you can see, but make it 10. So depending on your financial strength. All right. So now after you have successfully deposit to your account, the next thing for you is to start trading. So for you to trade, just click on the transaction all here, as you can see here, transaction all. So click on transaction all, and then what you have will be splitted into 3. We have total asset, we have wallet balance, and we have in the transaction. Addition of the money in the transaction and the money in wallet balance will give you your total asset here. So when the money in the transaction is completed, so it comes back to, so after the transaction is completed, the money in a transaction fees will come back to your wallet balance here. So your wallet balance is what you can withdraw. So you can withdraw your wallet balance at any time. All right. So you just need to wait for the completion of every trading session so that your money and your profit will come back to your wallet balance. And each trading session takes approximately 2 hours. Sometimes it can be 2 hours, 5 minutes. Maximum is 2 hours, 10 minutes. So that's why I said approximately 2 hours. So that means that you can come here to trade every 2 hours, which makes it 12 times in a day, or let's say 11 times in a day. Right. So that means 11 times or 12 times in a day. So if you are able to trade for 12 times in a day, you are earning your 3.6% completely. But if you are able to go 11 times in a day, that means you are earning 3.3% of your capital on daily basis. So as I said earlier, you are not the one trading, but you are the one to start the trade. You are the one to initiate it. So for you to initiate the trade, you just need to click on immediate competition for others. You click on immediate competition for others here. So when you click it, okay, sorry, my balance is less, my wallet balance is less than $5, as you can see, because the money is in a transaction. I have a current transaction that is going on right now, so I will need this one to complete so that I can start another trading session. So for instance, if I'm having enough in my wallet balance right now, immediately I click on immediate competition for orders, then the system will scan the entire market, the entire crypto market, and it's going to link me up with another buyer. So I sell to that buyer price, and the system will buy back for me at a lower price. So this will be repeated over and over again on daily basis, and this will be accumulated, which makes my daily profit. So you make 0.3%, 0.3% per trading session. You make 0.3% per trading session. So if you are able to go 10 times in a day, you are earning 3%. If you are able to go 11 times in a day, you are earning 3.3%. And if you are very, very diligent and consistent, you are able to go 12 times in a day, you are earning 3.6% of your capital on daily basis. And as you can see here, it is auto compound, because everything you have, both profits and your capital, will be in the wallet balance after the successful completion of your trade. All right, so you can go over and over. You can compound it for a month, or depending on your own choice. So this is how you can make money. You can make nothing less than $100, provided you have like $300 as a capital on this platform. You can see, let me show you some of my withdrawal proof. And one thing that is very superb about this platform is that your withdrawal will drop in less than 2 minutes. In less than 2 minutes, you can see my withdrawal records here. I have withdrew this. I withdrew 60, I withdrew 100, I withdrew 60, I withdrew the total of 180. And let's see how much I really invested. I've withdrew, I've withdrew $220. $220. So let's see how much I've invested here. So that is my withdrawal record. So let's check how much I have really deposited here. So you can see, oh, okay, let me go to the recharge record. So let's check the recharge record. You can see I recharge 50 and 150, that is 200. And right now I have already withdrew 220. So if you should deduct the 200 that I deposited from the 220 that I have withdrawn, I have withdrawn the profit of $20. And right now, see what I am having in my balance, in my total asset. I'm having 430. So you can see that this platform is crazy cool. So you can make money from it. This is the best time to make money from this platform. You should make A while the sun shines. Make A while the sun shines. So, and this is an opportunity that you can't afford to miss. Though this platform, this YouTube channel is dedicated to share with you my financial method, how I'm making money online. Though it's not for financial advice, so it's just for financial education. Can also check it out. If it is something that you can give a try, then go ahead, check the description box of this video. You are going to see the registration link, and you can also contact me if you have any question concerning this platform. I will surely answer your question as early as possible. All right, thanks so much for watching this video. Thanks so much from the beginning of this video to this very moment. I really appreciate you. I appreciate your time. All right, don't forget that this video is brought to you courtesy of Last Journey Stock. For that reason, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I think you are missing a lot. Just take your time, just hit the subscription box button of this video, beneath this video, subscribe to this channel, and also click on the notification bell, set it to all notification, so that you'll be continually aware or get notified whenever I upload a new video. Alright, thanks so much once again for watching this video, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, as this can be the financial educational content that they might have been waiting for financial liberation. Alright, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you, and bye for now.